Imagine powering your home with the sun's energy. It's not just a dream anymore. It's a reality that more and more homeowners are embracing. Solar energy isn't just about helping the environment. It's about making a smart financial choice too. Today, we're talking to the experts at Solar Bill Review to get a closer look.
When you do a consultation with the Solar Bill Review team, we're really good about setting expectations and executing. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to ask you some questions to identify what your goals are. Like, why solar? Why now? I don't want my electric bill to be out of control. I want to do something good for the environment. I want to, put a finish line to my expenses, or I just want to save money. There's all different kinds of options and different kinds of equipment. We're always studying the local utilities and the rate changes, so we can make the best recommendation for what rate plan for you to be on, what battery to use, the mounting hardware, where the panels are going to be placed, and then we're going to look at your bill and we're going to see what your history is, but then we want to ask you what your plans are for the future, because just because you used a certain amount of energy last year does not mean that you'll use the same amount of energy next year. And then once we come up with this solution together, we're going to construct the design together with you as a consumer. We're going to understand what it is and make a strong recommendation.
Solar energy impacts homeowners directly by allowing them to be their own source of energy at their house. This is going to allow them to reduce the impacts of the costs of energy for their home, as well as protect them from blackouts and service disruptions. The viability for solar comes down to a couple of factors. Do you own your home? And then does the sunshine hit it? From there, speaking to a local expert will really be able to tell you, is it something that will be able to save you money, or what type of return on the investment you'll get. The installation is actually the culmination of 3 different trades on your home. Electricians working with the electrical system on your house, roofers working on the actual roof itself, and then the actual system installers will be installing the panels. So the culmination of all 3 trades are really what's going to drive your decision on working with a high-quality contractor.
We're a very customer-centric business. That's really, I think, what makes us stand apart from a lot of other companies that are out there. We have a lot of face-to-face interactions with our customers. We're at every site survey, every installation. We speak with them weekly up until they get installed, and even post-install. We stick with the customers after they're installed. We perform bill reviews with them, teach them how to read their bill right after they're installed, and then also on a yearly basis. We do an annual bill review about 9-10 months before your annual true-up bill. That way we can prevent any surprises. If everything is going well with the system and you've been using your energy as you were planning to, you should have close to a 0 true-up bill.
While going solar won't take you completely off the energy grid, it'll get you close.
Solar Bill and SunPower were just absolutely amazing. We felt they were top-notch, and they really met our needs on what we were looking for in solar. And
we were also very impressed with their employees. They were very professional, very clean, very thorough, and really involved us in the process from start to finish.
And in taking that time to really work with us and get something that wasn't just put on our roof, it was something that was designed, as Heather is saying, to be aesthetically pleasing, so that you look at it and it looks clean, it looks nice.
So this is part of our process that we are looking to, and it's phase 1 to bring our house into the 21st century.
Yeah, and with the rebates that were offered and Solar Bill's help in helping us work through the process, we found a partner who was really able to help us achieve our goals. And in that, we were really grateful.
Solar panels can generate electricity to power your home or business, which can lead to substantial savings on your monthly electricity bills. Excess energy generated can often be sold back to the grid or stored for later use.
Right now you got 2 choices. 2 choices. You can stick with the utility company, or we can move towards independence and move towards a better planet for all of us, where the people have the power. Like, we can decide when we have power, rather than somebody sitting at a switchboard that says, you know what, I'm going to turn off your part of the grid today. Nobody's going to shut off your solar on you. You can shut off your solar, but nobody else can shut off your solar.
Want to know more about Solar Bill Review? Visit solarbillreview.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.